So in today's lecture, we will learn how to prepare profit and loss appropriation account and what care should be taken while preparing this account. So here on board, you can see the profit and loss appropriation account is given. At the top, you have to write profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March, whatever is the year that you have to write. Then you have to prepare column like this, particular amount rupees, debit, credit. Here I would like to say one more thing. Profit and loss appropriation account is just extension of the profit and loss account. This account is prepared to distribute profit among the partners. So it is nothing new, it is just extension of the profit and loss account which you were preparing in the 11 commerce in case of proprietorship concern. But this year you are learning the partnership accounts, and that's why this one more account you have to learn. So let us see. On the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account, first of all you have to write by profit and loss account, that is net profit. This net profit we must have found in the profit and loss account. So from profit and loss account, you have to bring net profit here. If in the profit and loss account, loss is there, then loss will be written on the debit side. I have not written here, but if the loss is given, you can write on the debit side to profit and loss account, that is net loss. So first of all, net profit we will write on the credit side. Thereafter, if the partners have made drawings from the partnership firm and it is decided to pay interest on drawing, if it is decided among them for the interest on drawing, then that interest on drawing will be recorded on the credit side. So credit side you will write by interest on drawing made by a partner. I have taken two partners. Individually their amount you will calculate and that you will write here. Now this interest on drawing is also one interesting topic. In my next video, I will take how to calculate interest on drawing. There are different concepts in this also. So these two items will come on the credit side of the appropriation account. On the debit side, you have to write to interest on capital. We know in partnership firm there are more than two partners and all the partners must have contributed some capital. If it is decided in the partnership deed, then interest on capital is also paid to partner. Interest on capital is appropriation of profit, and that's why it is debited to the profit and loss appropriation account debit side. So individually you will write for all the partners their interest on capital. For that separate working will be done. That also we will see in our next lecture. Any amount paid to the partner, like salary paid to partner, bonus given to partner, commission given to partner, that will be also debited to profit and loss appropriation account debit side. Individually you will write their salary, commission and bonus. I have taken together, you can write separately for each partner. Thereafter, if the partnership firm has decided to transfer some amount of net profit to reserves, so that appropriation to reserve, transfer to reserve will be debited to appropriation account debit side. So you can see the next point, to transfer to reserve account, it is debited. After writing all these amounts, finally we have to make the total. We will find the difference. Whatever the difference will come, if the difference is coming on the debit side, then it is the divisible profit. And this divisible profit, or also known as distributable profit, is distributed among all the partners in their profit sharing ratio. So, at last, the difference which we are getting is divisible profit, and this divisible profit will be distributed among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. So I have written to partners capital or current account. This is the divisible profit. Individually, we will write their amount. Because of space problem, I have not written here individually like A, B, you will write here also. So in this way, profit and loss appropriation account is prepared. Now here, you have to take care of some important points that I have written here. You can see important points. Some items are given and they are charged against profit. Any item which is charged against profit is recorded in profit and loss account debit side. They are not written in appropriation. So, if partner has given a loan to the partnership firm, then interest given to that partner on his loan will be debited to profit and loss account. It is a charge against profit. No doubt this amount is available to partner, but it is not appropriation. And it is not appropriation, that's why we will not record on the debit side of appropriation. Rather, we would like to, we will write it on the profit and loss account debit side. Second item, rent paid to partner. If rent is given to partner, that is also charged against profit and it is debited to profit and loss account. It is not written in appropriation. Manager's commission and salary. Salary and commission given to manager is also charged against profit. It is also debited to profit and loss account. So when these three items or any of these item is given, then you have to take care. They will be recorded in profit and loss account. Now, if we are not preparing profit and loss account, then what we can do? We can write these items here, credit side. From this net profit, you can minus these items if given. So if rent paid to partner is given, interest on partner's loan is given, or manager's commission or salary is given, then you will write this net profit in the inner column, and from that you will minus, and net amount you will write in the outer column. So you have to take care of these three items. These all are the charge against profit, so they are debited to profit and loss account, or as I said you can minus from net profit in appropriation account. You can minus from this net profit. So these are the important points which you have to take care while preparing appropriation account. For all the item, separate working will be done. So for example, interest on drawing. So as per the information given in the question, you have to make working for the interest on drawing. For this, I will prepare one separate video. In that, I will take all the concepts of interest on drawing. Similarly, while deciding interest on capital, you have to take care the month, the period for which this interest will be given to them. So, here you can see everything about profit and loss appropriation account. Now let us understand profit and loss appropriation account by taking one exercise. See the exercise. A and B partners sharing profit and loss equally contributed rupees 4 lakh and rupees 3 lakh as capital on 1st April 2019 respectively. So A and B are partners. Their profit sharing ratio is equally given and their capital, opening capital is given, and the partnership deed provides that salary to A rupees 5,000 per month and to B rupees 1,000 per month. Interest on capital at 10% per annum. Transfer to reserve 10% of net profit. So these three items are given in the partnership deed: to give salary to partners, to give interest on capital to partners, and to transfer to reserve 10% of net profit. Profit for the year ended 31st March 2020 is rupees 2 lakh before appropriation. Interest on capital is rupees 7,000 and rupees 5,000 for A and B respectively. So interest on drawing is ready-made given to you. Net profit is given rupees 2 lakh rupees, and it is asked prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So how to solve this exercise? So as I told you, first of all, net profit rupees 2 lakh rupees given here. that we will write in the appropriation account credit side. So appropriation account I have already prepared. Profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2020. Now credit side, first of all, we will write by net profit brought down rupees 2 lakh. You can also write by profit and loss account, or you can write by net profit brought down rupees 2 lakh. Now here there is no rent to partner, there is no interest on partner's loan, no manager's salary, no manager's commission, etc. are not given. Otherwise I would have written this in inner column, and from that those items I would have minus. But that is not given, so directly in outer column. Thereafter, the first point, salary to Mr. A 5,000 rupees per month. See, the per month is written. So per month 5,000. So for 12 months 60,000. And Mr. B rupees 1,000 per month. So 12 into 1,000. So 12,000. So in this way, salary. Now salary given to partner, we record to partner save. Appropriation account debit side. So debit side you will write to salary account. Individually we can write A and B. Mr. A 5,000 into 12, so 60,000, and Mr. B 1,000 into 12, so 12,000. So 72,000 rupees salary we will write appropriation account debit side. Thereafter, interest on capital at 10% per annum. Now here we are given the opening capital. Opening capital is given, so directly 10% of 4 lakh and 3 lakh. So 10% of 4 lakh 40,000 and of 3 lakh 30,000. So interest on capital you will write on the debit side. Interest on capital account A and B separately. For A it is 40,000 and B 30,000. So 70,000 rupees interest on capital. Opening capital is given, so directly 10% of opening capital. Transfer to reserve 10% of net profit. Now we have net profit 2 lakh. 10% of 2 lakh is 20,000. So that will go on the debit side to transfer to reserve. Transfer to reserve account 20,000. So 20,000 rupees we transfer to reserve account. Now one more point is given. Interest on drawing rupees 7,000 and 5,000 for A and B respectively. So the amount of interest on drawing is ready-made given, and that we will write on the credit side of the appropriation account by interest on drawings account. Separately for A and B, amount is given 7,000 for A and 5,000 for B. So 12,000 interest on drawing. So we recorded this profit on the credit side, interest on drawing on the credit side, salary debit side, interest on capital debit side, transfer to reserve debit side. So everything we covered. At the end, we will make the total of this and we will find divisible profit, and that profit will be distributed among the partner in their profit sharing ratio, and the profit sharing ratio is given equally. They are sharing equally. If profit sharing ratio is not given in the exercise, then we have to take equal. Here it is given. So now let us make the total. So total is 2,12,000. 2,12,000. From 2,12,000, if you minus these three items, you will get divisible profit. 70 and 20, 90, and this 70, 1,62,000. 1,62,000. So, from 2,12,000, total of these three, 1,62,000, you will minus. So we'll get 50,000 rupees. This 50,000 is divisible profit, and that will be recorded here. Here you will write two partners, capital or current account. We don't know which method is given, so I am writing both. If fixed method is given, then you can write two partners current account. If fluctuating is given, you can write two partners capital account. Now this 50,000 will be distributed between A and B in equal ratio, equally. So 50,000 is divided equally, both the partners will get 25,000, 25,000. So this is all about appropriation account. You can see it is a very easy concept. If they ask you journal entry. Now, let us discuss journal entries of appropriation account. In partnership firm, accountant has to prepare partners capital account also. You all know partners capital account can be prepared in two ways. First method is fixed capital method. Second is the fluctuating capital method. In a fixed capital method, we prepare two separate accounts. One is partners capital account and second is partners current account. Whereas in fluctuating capital method, we prepare partners capital account and all transactions are recorded in it. So, keeping in mind partners capital and current account and this appropriation account, let us learn different journal entries. So the first point is profit and loss account, net profit. This net profit we have brought from the profit and loss account, and in profit and loss account debit side at last we write this amount. So profit and loss account is debited there, and here we have written on the appropriation account credit side. So journal entry for this first would be profit and loss account debit to profit and loss appropriation account. If entry is asked, you have to write entry profit and loss account debit to profit and loss appropriation account because it is written on the credit side of appropriation account. So this is the first entry. Second entry, interest on drawing. Now this interest on drawing is income of partnership firm. Partners have made a drawing and partners are paying interest to the firm. So it is income. So entry for this would be partners capital or current account debit to interest on drawing. This would be the first entry. Partners capital or current account debit to interest on drawing, and the second entry would be interest on drawing account debit to profit and loss appropriation account. First entry we write with the capital or current account like this. Partners capital or current account debit to interest on drawing account. And the second entry we write with the appropriation account, and that is interest on drawing account debit to profit and loss appropriation account. So this would be the two entries. Third point, interest on capital. Now this interest on capital, it is appropriation. Here firm is paying to partner, and that's why it is income of partner, an expense for a firm. So entry for this would be, first let us take with the partner's capital and current account. For all these, two entries will come. Interest on capital account debit to partner's capital or current account. This would be the first entry. Thereafter, interest on capital is transferred to appropriation account. So second entry would be profit and loss appropriation account debit to interest on capital. So two entries. First would be interest on capital account debit to partner's capital or current account, whatever is the case. And the second entry, profit and loss appropriation account debit to interest on capital. Here debit side, whatever you return, that indicates that appropriation account is debited. And whatever here you have written on the credit side, that indicates appropriation account is credited. So entries are very simple. If you know this format, easily you can pass journal entries. First entry you will pass with the capital or current account, and the second entry you will pass with appropriation account. Similarly, for all this, here I have combined so many things. Salary to partner, bonus to partner, commission to partner. All these will be debited to interest to partner's capital or current account. Again, salary account debit, bonus account debit, commission to partner account debit to partner's capital or current account. And the second entry would be profit and loss account debit to salary account, to bonus account, to commission to partner. So here also two entries will come. Thereafter, transfer to reserve. If any amount is transferred to reserve from the net profit, then we will debit profit and loss appropriation account to reserve account. So for example, 10,000 rupees transferred to general reserve, then you will write profit and loss appropriation account debit to general reserve rupees 10,000. And in this way, you will pass journal entry. At the end, we find divisible profit, and this divisible profit is individually distributed among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. So entry for this would be profit and loss appropriation account debit to partners capital or current account. Individually with partner's name, we will write this amount. So when journal entries are asked, you can pass two entries for each case. Two entries would be for interest on drawing, two for the interest on capital, two for the salary, bonus, commission, one entry for the transfer to reserve, and one entry for the partner's capital and current account. That is divisible profit. So these are the important points I have taken.